How to sell crypto on Tangem wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell crypto on the Tangem wallet. Now the process itself is relatively easy and simple. However, I won't be able to show you right here due to the security issues, but I'll just be guiding you through, so make sure to listen till the end. First things first, what you want to do is you can simply open up your wallet. You want to start by scanning your card. You want to simply tap on scan your card and then enter the access code. Once you scan your card and enter the access code, then on the main screen you want to choose the required cryptocurrency that you wish to sell. Then you want to tap on actions option there, that will get there, and then tap on sell again. And once you do so, you'll be headed into a few more prompts and you'll be able to place your order. So this way you can easily sell crypto on Tangem wallet. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.